Okay, I was asked to create an option so that no users from XenForo, none of those accounts were copied over into the WordPress side of things. So this is the first time that someone's asked for it, but I thought, well, let me see if I could try it. And let's just kind of go through some things. First of all, in the database, if we look under WP users, I've cleared everything out, so it's just the administrator account that's in there on the WordPress side. And under the user meta, we can look, and it's all just ID number 1. You can see there's nothing that says 2 or 3 or any other user ID number. All right, now that we've seen that, we know that ID number 1 is the LPH account, and you can see that works fine, logs in, and I can get into the dashboard, etc. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out of that account, and I'm going to go in with a different account that is an account on the XenForo side, not on the WordPress side. So I'll just log in. You can see that it logs in as Gracie, and that Gracie is able to see the alerts, etc., but does not have access to a WordPress admin panel. And that if she wants to edit the profile, she's directed to the XenForo side, etc. So all of that seems to be fine. Then the last question becomes, what about being able to comment on a blog post? That's easy. You can simply just go in, and you'll see that on this account, on the theme, I stripped out the comments on the WordPress side, and there's simply a redirection to the forum. And of course, she can post on this side. So this is a post on the XenForo side. Since the permissions are done on the XenForo side, this would all depend on the XenForo account. But here you go, able to post, and then you can go right back to the blog post on the WordPress side. All right, so it seems that this option works. It's very simple. Let me log out, show you where it is. On the side of WordPress, we go in, we go into XenWord, and right now in this version, now this is not a released version, this is actually 2.1.02, but anyway, you'll see on the side that says the user permissions, you'll see the default of subscriber, etc. You'll see under that is use the panel, but here's add the XenForo user to the WordPress database, and right now it's off. If I change that to on, then I can go in, and we should then be able to see that Gracie will be copied over. So she goes to the log out here. You see that, let me show again, because I did that real fast. She's not in here on the users table. Okay, now we're going to go in, we're going to log her in. And now that I've turned the option on, you'll see that she's copied in, and that she will be copied in on the user side here. So we'll go all the way down, and there she is. Pretty cool, huh? So that option actually works. Now, I'm not terribly happy with the location of the option, so I may actually make some changes before we release this. Right now it is kind of sitting here. Really, it should be maybe up to the top as an option. It should be above this. Anyway, I'll see what I can do. All right, and there you go, a feature to turn on or off the write into the WordPress database. Hope this helps.